Guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the Apple Harvest Festival in Pennsylvania. Don't remember what town it was, but it's about half an hour from us. So we're going to be heading out there, just spending the day, looking around at like different craft vendors, and hopefully they'll have some vegan food. It's been close to 10 years, 11 years since we've been to the Apple Harvest Festival. So I really don't remember what was there. I know French fries is one of the options, but you know, I'm not going to hold my breath. We're probably going to be taking a little bit something to eat just in case. Really not going to be holding my breath to have any really healthy options there other than apples, which is fine. I can eat a lot of apples here lately. So I'm going to be heading out doing that, and I'm taking guys along. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the Apple Harvest Festival. We have some Asian pears here, the whole orchard full. Don't see these very often. Anybody want apples? There's lots and lots of farms, apple orchards, peaches, pears, grapes. Really good farming area. So thank you guys for watching the video. Really hot right now. It's close to 80 degrees. Really hot, really hungry because the only thing we had to eat was some french fries. But I'm going to be working on some apple cider in the car. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.